Hey guys! Canceling orders on Pandabuy is pretty easy to do. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open Pandabuy in any web browser and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Now, tap on the profile icon from the top right and after that, select User Center. From here, you need to select Order. As you can see, I haven't ordered anything yet. I will just walk you through the process and show you how to cancel your order. So here you will see all your orders from Pandabuy, and if you want to cancel any order, what you need to do is tap on cancel order, which you will see right beside the product you want to cancel as it is shown here. After you tap on cancel order, now you will have to give a reason why you want to cancel your order. After that, you need to select the item that you want to cancel and then you need to select confirm. And finally, your order on Pandabuy will be cancelled.